Put the backbreaking work of tilling tough turf behind you and break ground with the dirty little secret of great gardens and gardeners, 24V-TLR-LTE 24-volt cordless tiller and cultivator from Sunjo. Powered by Sunjo's revolutionary Ion Plus lithium-ion technology, 24V-TLR's 24-volt 2-amp-hour battery provides up to 30 minutes of rechargeable runtime in the yard or wherever power is at a premium. The perfect power weeder, Sunjo effortlessly slices away weeds and loosens compacted soil, allowing air and moisture to penetrate for healthier roots and plants. Till more in less time with the dual 6-inch rotary blades to cultivate an area up to 4.25 inches wide and 6 inches deep in seconds. 10 durable steel tilling tines per side easily dig down to turn over soil in tighter cramped quarters and between plants for maximum maneuverability, precision, and performance. Lightweight at just 6 pounds, 24V-TLR features a telescopic pole which extends up to 37 inches and an adjustable auxiliary handle to take the pain and strain out of your toughest yard chores. Plus, every Sunjo tiller cultivator is backed by our complete 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So always keep your yard looking its best with less stress. Go with Joe, 24V-TLR-LTE 24-volt cordless tiller plus cultivator from Sunjo. Get equipped.